Well, hello everybody. This is Professor Bobby. Happy Valentine's Day in Thailand. It's November 14th. I'm gonna try some candies I discovered at 7-Eleven over here. We have Kit Kat, Year of the Dragon, because it is Year of the Dragon, and this Kit Kat wannabe with coconut. Sounds pretty good. And I shall sip with this, it's not an alcoholic beverage, it's just merely coffee. It's the morning here. Let's try this one first, shall we? Look at that. Look at that. Let's break it in half. Looks like a Kit Kat, right? Looks like a Kit Kat. Pretty good. Better than Kit Kat. I like coconut. Wait a minute. We have a Kit Kat here. What am I talking about? We're gonna try this one next. Sweet. Golden Dragon. Have a look at this. So it looks normal in the back, but hey, it's golden in the front. It's golden in the front. Check that out. Let's break that in half and see what's inside, shall we? Okay. Try it out. It's a very sweet, milky, it's not caramel. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at it. It's a gradient from red to yellow. What flavor is this? Whoa, it tastes like oranges. I think it tastes like oranges here. Golden Dragon, Peace. I'm putting my money on oranges. And this one does taste like it is what it is. It's dark chocolate and coconut with some coconut flakes in there. I like this one better. It's slightly less sweet. This one is like good for kids. Not really for an adult like myself. Professor Bobby, signing out.